out Chris is in there. We just got to clear that.
Hi there, I'm Chris Bennett here from the Ontario Regiment Museum. This is one of our Shermans BART. It's an M4A2E8 with the Detroit engines in it. This winter we're starting a winter maintenance project. So this guy here is in for a lot of work. Both engines are going to come out. They've got some leaks, oil leaks and coolant leaks, and instead of trying to repair them in the vehicle, it's easier just to pull them. So we're going to pull both engines, clean up the engine bay, give them a nice paint job, reseal both engines, again Detroit 671 series engines, and the slip ring inside we're going to try and refinish it as well. The power traverse is not working as well as we like. And we're also going to work on the drive shaft. There's a really bad bearing noise when you release the clutch when the drive shaft starts to spin and powers the generator. So we're going to pull the drive shaft out and replace those bearings as well. So lots of projects for the winter time, and make sure you follow us on Facebook and give us a like and follow along with the project.